Hello students of class 10th, chapter 1, real numbers. First question, use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of first 135 and 225. Then the greatest number is 225 and the smallest number is 135. We take A equal to 225 and B equal to 135. Then 225 divided by 135. Then we take 135 1 is 135. Then we get remainder 90. So now we divide the 135 by 90. Then we get quotient 1 and remainder 45. Now we divide 90 by 45. Then we get quotient 2 and remainder 0. तो आप लोगों को जो है बताया गया है कि एचसीएफ ऑफ टू नंबर्स फाइंड करने के लिए जब रिमाइंडर 0 हो जाएगा तो एचसीएफ ऑफ टू नंबर्स the division will be the HCF. Now HCF of 135 and 225 equal to 45 because here remainder is 0 and quotient division is 45. So HCF of 135 and 225 equal to 45. Next question, find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Here 38,220 is greatest number and 196 is the smallest number. So we get A equal to 38,220 and B equal to 196. Now we divide A by B, means 38,220 divided by 196. When we divide, we get quotient 195 and remainder 0. Now remainder is 0, so division will be the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Here division is 196, so HCF of 196 and 38,220 equal to 196. Another question, 867 and 255. Here 867 is the greatest number and 255 is the smallest number. So 867 is A and 255 is B. Now A divided by B, so we divide 867 by 255. Then we get quotient 3 and remainder 102. Now we divide 255 by 102. Then we get quotient 2 and remainder 51. Now 102 divided by 51, then we get quotient 2 and remainder 0. Now we get the remainder 0, so division will be the HCF of given numbers. Here division is 51, so HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Another question, so that any positive odd integers is of the form of 6q plus r or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integers. In this question we have to prove that any positive odd integers is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So let A is a number and B equal to 6. Then therefore by Euclid division algorithm we can write a equal to 6q plus r, a equal to 6q plus r, where q is greater or equal to 0 and r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remainder, if we divided by 6, then we get remainder less than 6. Means अगर हम 6 से किसी चीज a को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और कोसेंट q मिल रहा है, रिमाइंडर r मिल रहा है, तो जो रिमाइंडर r है या तो 0 होगा, या तो 1 होगा, या 2, 3, 4, 5 होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट we can write this a equal to 6q plus 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. Next, we have to find that 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 is a odd integer. So we have find the odd integer. We know that which number is not divisible by 2, that is odd integers. Means जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होते हैं वही नंबर क्या होते हैं, ऑड नंबर्स होते हैं. तो जिस 6 का मल्टीपल का कोई भी नंबर हो, क्योंकि ये इवन नंबर है, वो नंबर जो है आपका 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. इसलिए 6q plus 3, 6q plus 1 और 6q plus 5 we have to check this, that a equal to 6q means 6q plus 1, we have write this 2 into 3q plus 1, and a equal to 6q plus 3, then we can write this 2k1 plus 1, where k1 is a constant or k1 is a positive integer, k1 is a positive integer which value is k1 equal to 3q, and if a equal to 6q plus 3, then we can write this 6q plus 2 plus 1, means now we take 2, then 3q plus 1 plus 1, we have take 2k2 plus 1, means k2 is a odd integer, k2 is a positive integer, k2 is a positive integer which value is k2 equal to 3q plus 1. Now we take a equal to 6q plus 5, we can write this 6q plus 4 plus 1, we can write this, if we have take a common 2, then we can write this 3q plus 2 plus 1, and we can write this 2k3 plus 1, where k3 is a positive integer, which value is k3 equal to 3q plus 2. Now we can say that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Okay. Another question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same numbers of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? In previous class or in class 6, 7, 8, we have to know that if we have to ask maximum numbers, then we find the SCF, and if we have to ask minimum numbers, then we find the LCM. Here we have to find maximum numbers of columns, so we have to find the SCF of of 616 and 32 by Euclid's division algorithm. Here 616 is greatest number and 32 is the smallest number, so we take a equal to 616 and b equal to 32, then 616 divided by 32, then 32 1 ja 32, 11, 2 subtracted in 11 we get 9, and here 5, 2, 296. Now 3 9 are 27, 3 8 are 24, 8, 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 128. When we subtract, then we get 8. Now we divide 32 by 8. 8 4 ja 32. Here 8 is the last divisor from which we get remainder is 0. So SCF of 616 and 32, SCF of 616 and 32 is 8. So maximum number of columns in which maximum number of columns is 8. Maximum numbers of columns, maximum number of columns equal to 8. Okay students, thanks.